In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your finances using Notion. If you're looking for a convenient way to keep a close eye on your money without too much hassle, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to help you get started. To begin, you'll first want to go to your connected workspace on Notion. This is your hub for managing all things related to your wiki, documents, and projects. Think of it as your digital office, where everything comes together. Once you're on the Notion homepage, the next step is logging in. If you aren't yet signed in, you'll need to click on the Login button. Enter your credentials, and you'll have instant access to all that Notion offers. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Notion home. This is essentially the starting point for setting up any projects or templates. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. If you haven't done so before, it's user-friendly and designed to help you find everything with ease. Next up is selecting a template. Templates are fantastic because they offer a pre-structured format that you can manipulate to suit your needs. On the homepage, you'll see a tab for templates. Click on that to open up the selection. Notion has a variety of options, but for our purposes, you'll want to use the search feature to look for a finance tracker. Just type Finance Tracker into the search bar, and you'll be presented with options tailored for managing your financial records. Once you've located a finance tracker template that appeals to you, it's time to select it. Simply click on the template to open up its details. This will give you a brief overview of what this template offers, which is crucial to ensure it aligns with your personal or professional finance tracking needs. Now, from the template's detailed view, you'll notice an Add button. This is where you add it to your workspace. When you click Add, the template is copied into your personal Notion workspace, where you can start making modifications. Lastly, it's time to edit the template. This is the exciting part because you get to tailor it exactly how you want. You can remove sections you find unnecessary, tweak headers, add fields relevant to your financial goals, or even rename sections to better fit your style. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Notion makes it easy to modify content, so you are free to make this tool truly your own. That's it for today's guide. By following these steps, you'll have successfully set up a functional finance tracker using Notion. Feel free to explore and get creative with how you manage your finances. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials soon.